In the heart of every home, there is a place where memories are made and messes are inevitable. But what if there was a hero ready to tackle those tough stains and save the day?
Hi there, I'm Mrs. Karongwi. I'm here to share my experience with LG Quad Wash Dishwasher. A friend of mine told me about LG Dishwasher and I decided to try it out. One of the things I absolutely love about LG Quad Wash Dishwasher is how efficiently it saves energy and water consumption with the help of inverter direct drive motor.
With LG Quad Wash Dishwasher, you do not have to worry about energy consumption or heavy water usage because this dishwasher is equipped with an inverter direct drive motor for energy efficiency, quiet operation, and what's more, you get a whopping 10-year warranty on the inverter direct drive motor.
With LG Quad Wash Dishwasher, I don't have to worry about pre-washing or pre-rinsing. It gets everything sparkling clean the first time. And the best part, it gives me more time in doing other things and making memories instead of scrubbing dishes.
Experience the difference for yourself with the LG Quad Wash Dishwasher. Say goodbye to dirty dishes and hello to more time for what matters most.
Wow! A big thanks to LG for this. I'm really excited. It's really huge. With LG, life's good.